What's up guys, your boy D-Dog here. In today's video, I know I missed last week's release upload because your boy was sick a little bit on Sunday and I couldn't get the video done. I had an event to shoot on Saturday and I hung out, and let's just say I won't be drinking green teas for a while. So let's get into the video at hand about the Nike Air Jordan Space Jam lows. So as you know, these shoes technically been out for a week, I think, a week or two. And no, I won't say a week, they've been out for a week. To my surprise, these shoes are still sitting on the shelf. I don't get why the 11 lows don't get as much love as they used to get back in the day. You know, back in the day, back in like 95, 96, showing my age, but I'm also showing my memory here. But back in 95, you only had like two colorways. You had the cobalts, and then you had the black and reds. And that was pretty much it of the lows. Recently, throughout the years, they've released a plethora of this model. And you might hear the grass. They cutting grass out there, but you may hear that. But what I'm trying to say is they released a lot of these shoes, the lows, and the 11 lows, the IE, don't get any love. You know what I'm saying? Like, those shoes were pretty dope. I don't get why they don't get as much love. Like, this is weird that I'm actually seeing a pair of 11 lows IEs sitting on the shelf. And I've actually seen, well, them snake skins is kind of ugly. I ain't gonna even lie, man. Not the blue ones that I got, but them white snake skins, they kind of ugly. I do want them because I know how the game goes, that once a shoe like that sits, it's best for you to get on it, because if you don't, later on once it sells out like fully, it's gonna like be worth a lot. AKA the Mocha 3s back in the day. Then when they released them, people still trashed them. I'm still looking for a size 3, by the way. Not 3. I'm looking for a size 11 in the Mocha 3s. So if anyone can hook me up with a good deal, hit my inbox or hit me up on Twitter right here. So let's get into the shoes. So in this video, we got the regular Jordan box. You know what I'm saying? Regular, like, it's the 95 Jordan box, you know, that they came out back in the day. And let's just get into it, man. Like, I know I'm like pretty zoomed in on the sky view, but just everything's a learning experience. I'm just trying new things. If you notice how my composure, you know, is now, I'm not looking up. I'm at eye level now. So with that said, this is the Air Jordan Low. Let's go ahead and open it up. Didn't even try these on. Shout out to my boy Sale once again. He like came through in the clutch for me, because when these came out, I was literally like so upset because I struck out on the Yeezys again. And so these were the consolation prize. So but yeah, so I had my boy Sale. He went and bought them for me, and I gave him the money back, and here they are. So I'm gonna open this up right here. As you can see, we have, oh yes, sexy. I love them. A couple things about this shoe. You know, you see the icy bottom on this shoe. You got the icy bottom looking like the Space Jams. You also have, it's pretty much like pattern like as Space Jams. You have the mesh upper. That is the difference between like the IEs now. This particular IE is different in my opinion because it has the mesh upper right here instead of the typical leather upper right here. Then they also changed it where it does not have your traditional like your traditional elephant print going across here. Did you know that these shoes, the 11 IE lows, paper. Did you know the 11 IE lows are the only shoe to feature the elephant print? This in the 3s. This shoe was the only shoe back in the day. Just a little history for you, so you know what I'm saying. So I, just give you some game right there. So it's free, you know what I'm saying. History. Yeah. So this shoe does not have the elephant pattern on there that you would particularly see in the 11 IE lows. You typically will see the elephant print going across like this. You would, in this part would be leather, but apparently they scrapped it. They was like, no, we're gonna go with a mesh. You're gonna go to a mesh, so that it changes up a little bit. Now Jordan, I think Jordan hooped in these back in the day, but I think he hooped in the black and red ones, the black and red lows. He was always switching shoes when he was playing. As you can see in the inside of the sole, you have the Jumpman, and you also got the trash little paper in there as well. They got the leather going across. You got the dark Concord. You got the Concord color right here going across, going in on the Jumpman logo right there. It's mixed with the leather right here, leather, and then it has the mesh all on the tongue. I like that. Now, the one thing that I've noticed about these shoes is that, like, I've never seen anybody lace their shoes up through the loophole like these, like that. If you can actually see that, You also have leather going up here, and it's also vented as well. I also have the Cobalt 3s. I'm not saying Cobalt 3s, bro. Cobalt 11, bro. This is show y'all, like, this is the old ass pair. This is from 2000 when they originally retroed them. You know what I'm saying? This is when they originally retroed them, and yeah, sweet. So as you can see, what I was talking about. When you compare the two, you can see with that elephant print, where I'm saying, and then they got patent leather. They changed it up. You got your traditional icy bottoms like that, and then you also have, just to show you guys, like, these are some old ass shoes, and he still got the Jumpman logo on there, boy. And yes, I do wear my shoes black. So, you know what I'm saying? So, let me know what you guys think. Like, did you guys, like, why are the Jordans sitting? You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not understanding that. Normally Jordans, these, I would have thought that these would have sold out, because, normally when people want these shoes like this, when people want a shoe like this, they, a Space Jam, they sell out. I also have the mid Space Jam, if you guys want to see a comparison. Matter of fact, let me go get that for y'all.
12 seconds later.
Yeah, so on second thought, I'm not gonna get that for y'all, because then I will mess around and hurt myself trying to get y'all that shoe because of the boxes. That's gonna be another topic that I'm actually gonna talk about. Like, should I start getting like the shoe containers? I've been seeing them everywhere, but that's on a later subject. But what do y'all think about these though? Like, tell me what you think. You know what I'm saying? These are a size 11. I'm gonna get y'all some on feet. You know what I'm saying? Like, they look nice, man. I don't know why people slept on them. Like, people really slept on these shoes. I don't know why. I don't know why they slept on them. Like, this is just, I don't know, man. Like, I think this is gonna be a shoe that, my predictions, and we're gonna call it the D-Dog prediction. My prediction is on these shoes that these shoes are going to be worth a lot later down the road, because it's one of the shoes that people they skipped out on because they were trying to get the Yeezys, and they struck out, and then these actually sold out first on the sneakers app, and then they restocked them, and they're easy to get right now. I don't know why they're not selling out. So Jordan brand, like, what's up? Like, this was a nice colorway. I would love to see the Concord black and white like this. Then again, no, I don't want to see it. I think we already saw one day. I think they actually tried it and it did not look right. They did come out with a black and white pair, and it didn't look right. It just looked like they just mocked, like, the old school fakes back in 2001, 2002. world. So let me know if you copped you a pair, man. Let me know if you copped the pair. These are a size 11. I do not sell my shoes. I wear all my shoes, and you can't have my pair. I've had people literally inbox me about like, hey man, send me your shoes, send me yours. I'm like, nah, bro, no, I'm not doing it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. Helps the channel a lot. Thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys later. See y'all on the next release or my next pickup. Who knows? Peace.